Before jet engines, before supersonic speed, and long before modern air combat, Venezuela quietly built the foundations of its military aviation. These early aircraft trained pilots, moved troops, and prepared the nation for a rapidly changing world in the skies. We start our journey with early military and pre-jet era, 1940s to 1950s. North American AT-6 Texan. The North American AT-6 Texan was the backbone of early military flight training. Introduced during World War II, it was used to prepare pilots for frontline combat aircraft. Powered by a radial piston engine, it offered realistic handling, moderate speed, and basic armament simulation. In Venezuelan service, the AT-6 trained generations of pilots, creating the foundation of the country's professional air force. Douglas C-47 Skytrain. The Douglas C-47 Skytrain was one of the most important military transport aircraft ever built. Developed from a civilian airliner, it became famous for its reliability, long range, and heavy payload capacity. With twin piston engines, it could carry troops, cargo, and medical supplies. Venezuela used the C-47 for transport, logistics, and humanitarian missions, making it a critical asset for national mobility. Beechcraft 811 Canson. The Beechcraft 811 Canson was designed as a bomber training aircraft. Based on the Beechcraft Model 18, it featured positions for bombardiers and navigation training. Equipped with twin engines and bombing practice equipment, it allowed crews to simulate real combat conditions. In Venezuelan service, the AT-11 helped train air crews in coordination and precision, preparing them for more advanced operational aircraft. Fairchild PT-19. The Fairchild PT-19 was a primary training aircraft built for simplicity and effectiveness. With an open cockpit, inline engine, and lightweight structure, it taught pilots the fundamentals of flight. Venezuela used the PT-19 to introduce new cadets to aviation discipline and basic aircraft handling. Though slow and lightly built, it played a vital role in early pilot selection and training. Moving on to early jet age and Cold War fighters, 1950s to 1970s. De Havilland Vampire. The de Havilland Vampire was Venezuela's first step into the jet age. Introduced soon after World War II, it featured a distinctive twin-boom design and jet propulsion that transformed pilot training and air defense capabilities. Simple, reliable, and easy to maintain, the Vampire helped Venezuelan pilots transition from piston aircraft to modern jet combat aviation. De Havilland Venom. The de Havilland Venom was a more powerful and refined evolution of the Vampire. With improved speed, stronger engines, and better combat performance, it expanded Venezuela's jet fighter capability during the Cold War. The Venom gave the Air Force greater confidence in jet operations and represented a clear move toward more capable frontline fighters. North American F-86 Sabre. The North American F-86 Sabre was one of the most famous jet fighters of the Cold War. Known for its swept wings and excellent dogfighting performance, it brought true high-speed air combat capability to Venezuelan service. Its advanced aerodynamics and firepower placed Venezuela among the leading jet-equipped air forces in the region. Canadair Sabre. The Canadair Sabre was a Canadian-built version of the F-86, offering improved construction and performance. In Venezuelan service, it strengthened air defense and interceptor roles during a tense Cold War period. Reliable, fast, and well-armed, the Canadair Sabre marked the peak of first-generation jet fighter operations before more advanced aircraft arrived. Continuing with supersonic and multi-role combat aircraft 1970s to 1990s. Dassault Mirage 3. The Dassault Mirage 3 brought supersonic flight to Venezuela's Air Force. Designed as a high-speed interceptor, it featured delta wings, powerful jet propulsion, and radar-guided weapons. Its speed and climb rate gave Venezuela a strong air defense capability, and marked a major leap from early jet fighters to true supersonic combat aircraft. Dassault Mirage 5. The Dassault Mirage 5 was a ground attack-focused development of the Mirage 3. Optimized for strike missions, it emphasized payload and reliability over complex avionics. In Venezuelan service, it strengthened tactical attack capabilities and provided a flexible platform for both air-to-ground and secondary air-to-air roles. General Dynamics F-16 Fighting Falcon. The General Dynamics F-16 Fighting Falcon introduced advanced multi-role combat capability. With fly-by-wire controls, high maneuverability, and modern avionics, it represented a new generation of fighter aircraft. In Venezuelan service, the F-16 became the backbone of air combat power, combining air superiority and strike roles in a single platform. Transitioning to modern Russian-origin combat aircraft, 2000s present, Sukhoi Su-30MKV. The Sukhoi Su-30MKV represents Venezuela's shift toward modern, heavy multi-role fighters. Designed for air superiority and long-range strike, it features twin engines, advanced radar, and long endurance. Its arrival significantly strengthened Venezuela's deterrence capability and modernized its air combat power in the 21st century. Now we explore attack and counterinsurgency aircraft. OV-10 Bronco. The OV-10 Bronco was built for counterinsurgency and battlefield coordination. With excellent visibility, short takeoff capability, and light attack weapons, it proved ideal for patrol and close support missions. In Venezuelan service, it was used for internal security and border operations. Embraer EMB 312 Tucano. The EMB 312 Tucano is a turboprop trainer adapted for light attack roles. Known for low operating costs and reliability, it allows pilot training alongside counterinsurgency missions. Venezuela used it as a flexible platform for both instruction and internal defense tasks. K-8 Karakoram. The K-8 Karakoram is a jet trainer capable of light combat duties. Designed for simplicity and affordability, it helps bridge the gap between basic training and frontline fighters. In Venezuelan service, it supports pilot training while also serving limited attack and patrol roles, shifting focus to Venezuelan military transport aircraft. Lockheed C-130, Hercules. The Lockheed C-130. Hercules is a rugged tactical transport aircraft built for versatility. With 4 turboprop engines, it can operate from short, unprepared runways while carrying troops, cargo, and vehicles. In Venezuelan service, it became the backbone of military transport in humanitarian operations. CASA C-212 Aviocar. The CASA C-212 Aviocar is a light transport aircraft designed for short takeoff and landing missions. Compact and reliable, it is ideal for moving personnel and supplies to remote areas. Venezuela used it for logistics, patrol support, and utility transport roles. The CASA CN-235 is a medium transport aircraft offering greater range and payload than smaller utility planes. With twin turboprop engines and modern avionics, it supports transport, surveillance, and maritime roles. It strengthened Venezuela's regional mobility and operational flexibility. Antonov An-26. The Antonov An-26 is a Soviet-designed tactical transport aircraft known for durability. Equipped with rear loading ramps and robust landing gear, it can operate in harsh conditions. Venezuela used it for troop transport and cargo missions across challenging terrain. Antonov An-32. The Antonov An-32 is an upgraded version of the An-26 with more powerful engines. Designed for hot and high environments, it offers improved performance and payload capacity. In Venezuelan service, it enhanced airlift capability in demanding climates. Onward to maritime patrol and surveillance aircraft. Lockheed P-3 Orion. The Lockheed P-3 Orion is a long-range maritime patrol aircraft designed for surveillance and anti-submarine warfare. Equipped with powerful sensors, radar, and long endurance, it allows continuous monitoring of coastal and maritime zones. In Venezuelan service, it strengthens sea patrol, reconnaissance, and maritime security operations. Beechcraft King Air. The Beechcraft King Air serves as a versatile surveillance and utility aircraft. With twin turboprop engines, it offers reliability, range, and flexibility for patrol and reconnaissance missions. Venezuela has used it for maritime surveillance, border monitoring, and intelligence support roles. Cessna 208 Caravan. The Cessna 208 Caravan is a lightweight utility aircraft adapted for surveillance duties. Known for low operating costs and short runway capability, it is ideal for coastal patrol and observation missions. In Venezuelan service, it supports maritime awareness and internal security operations. Let's examine helicopters, transport, attack, and utility. MiL-Me-17. The MiL-Me-17 is a versatile medium transport helicopter widely used around the world. Powered by twin engines, it can carry troops, cargo, and equipment in difficult terrain and harsh weather. In Venezuelan service, it supports transport, logistics, and humanitarian missions with proven reliability. MiL-Me-35. The MiL-Me-35 is an attack helicopter derived from the Mi-24 series. Armed with cannons, rockets, and missiles, it combines firepower with limited troop transport capability. Venezuela uses it for close air support, armed patrols, and counterinsurgency operations. MiL-Me-26. The MiL-Me-26 is the largest production helicopter in the world. Designed for heavy-lift missions, it can transport vehicles, artillery, and large cargo loads. In Venezuelan service, it is used for strategic transport, disaster relief, and oversized load operations. Bell 212. The Bell 212 is a twin-engine utility helicopter known for simplicity and reliability. It is used for troop transport, search and rescue, and general support missions. Venezuela employs it for military transport, medical evacuation, and internal security tasks. Bell 412. The Bell 412 is an upgraded development of the Bell 212 with improved performance and safety. Featuring a four-blade rotor, it offers smoother flight and better lift. In Venezuelan service, it supports transport, patrol, and emergency response missions. Eurocopter S-332 Super Puma. The Eurocopter S-332 Super Puma is a medium-lift helicopter designed for long-range transport. With powerful engines and modern avionics, it can operate over land and sea. Venezuela uses it for troop movement, maritime support, and special operations. Now we explore Venezuelan training aircraft. T-34 Mentor. The T-34 Mentor is a basic military training aircraft designed to teach fundamental flying skills. Powered by a piston engine, it offers stable handling and simple controls, making it ideal for pilot instruction. In Venezuelan service, it was used to train new cadets before they moved on to more advanced aircraft. SF-260. The SF-260 is a lightweight trainer known for agility and excellent visibility. With aerobatic capability and reliable performance, it helps pilots develop precision and confidence. Venezuela used it for basic and intermediate training, bridging the gap between elementary trainers and combat aircraft. Onward to unmanned aerial vehicles. Orlan-10. The Orlan-10 is a reconnaissance drone designed for surveillance and intelligence gathering. Equipped with cameras and sensors, it provides real-time battlefield and border monitoring. In Venezuelan use, it supports reconnaissance, situational awareness, and modern surveillance operations. Chinese tactical UAVs. Chinese tactical UAVs are small unmanned systems used for observation and patrol missions. Designed for short-range surveillance, They offer low-cost aerial monitoring and rapid deployment. Venezuela employs them for intelligence collection, border security, and internal monitoring tasks.